Hello, music lovers! We're continuing our Chrome Music Lab series, where music and science intertwine. Today we're going to discover one of the most fundamental principles of music, the mathematics behind strings. Without wasting any time, let's open our browser and type in Chrome Music Lab to enter the world of experiments. On the Chrome Music Lab homepage, you'll find many different creative tools. If we scroll down a bit, you'll see our topic for today, the strings experiment. Let's click on it and jump right in. What we have here is a simple yet powerful interface, strings of different lengths. When we click the question mark in the top right corner, we learn the secret of this experiment. This experiment lets you explore the natural, mathematical relationship between a string's length and its pitch. For example, the second string is half the length of the first, and it plays the same note an octave higher. Now let's test that. I'll touch the longest string on the far left, and now I'll touch the one that's half its length. Did you hear that one octave difference? This is a fundamental rule of physics in music. The shorter the string, the faster it vibrates, and the higher the pitch of the sound it produces. Once we understand this simple rule, we can now create our own melodies. By dragging the mouse across the strings, we can play a simple arpeggio or a chord. Look, by touching different strings one after another, we can create such a calming and pleasant melody. You can not only touch the strings but also move the mouse up and down to create different rhythms and timbres. This is completely up to your imagination. Each string acts like a different note on an instrument, and this is where the beauty of Chrome Music Lab really shines. What we're actually doing right now is turning complex physics concepts like frequencies and harmonics into a visual and auditory game. This way, anyone can easily understand the fundamental building blocks of music. So with the strings experiment, we've seen a hands-on demonstration of how a string's length affects its sound. You can also visit Chrome Music Lab to try this and many other amazing experiments for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and want to see more interactive content like this, don't miss out on other content on our channel and more to come. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.